All right, we're going to continue our work with circles, this time focusing on the area. So as I dig into this, the area, let's do a different color, is the inside space of the circle. So all of this stuff, this orange and pink, this is what we would consider the area. Again, we're going to use 3.14 for pi. We're going to also be able to find the radius and diameter. Now your formula is area equals pi times radius squared. Now remember, radius squared is r times r. It's not r times 2, okay? So what is the area of a circle with a radius of 8? Use 3.14 for pi. So here's our equation. We're going to plug in 8 for r, and we're going to use 3.14 for pi. So 3.14 times 8 squared. So I'm going to do some side work. 8 squared is 8 times 8. So I know that this is going to be 3.14 times 64. That shouldn't be a decimal. There we go, times 64. And again, please use a calculator on this. 64 times 3.14 is 200.96, and our units were inches. What is the radius of a circle with an area of 28.26 square feet? Use 3.14 for pi. So this time, again, we're given the area, so we got to plug it in for A, and we're going to work backwards to find the radius. So pi is 3.14, and then I have r squared still. So my goal is to separate r squared by itself. And so in order to do that, I'm going to divide both sides by 3.14. So again, I'm not sure this is an extra one, but this is going to cancel out right here. So all I'm left with is r squared, and 28.26 divided by 3.14 equals 9. Now there's one more step because, again, 9 equals r squared. Let's move that down. Oh, all right, I got 9 equals r squared. If we take the square root of both sides, we are going to get r equals 3. So again, because our answer was feet, we have 3 feet equals r. So just working backwards, again, trying to isolate r by itself, doing this all the way until we got an answer of 3. The floor of a new butterfly conservatory will be a circle. All right, so that's probably going to be important. With an 18-foot radius, the material for the floor will cost $3.95 per square foot. About how much will the floor project cost? So again, because we're trying to find the total area of the circle, we're going to be searching for the area. We're not looking for the outside. We're looking for the space inside for the butterflies. So we're going to use A equals pi r squared. And then what we decided is that it's an 18-foot radius. So 3.14 times 18 squared. So again, 18 times 18 is 324. So I'm going to plug that in. 3.14 times 324. And when I times that, I get the area equals 1,017.36, and I believe that is feet. However, we're not done because we have to account for the cost. So that's how much we need, but what we're going to do is we're going to take this number and we're going to multiply it by $3.95. So if I take this number and I multiply it by what it costs per square foot, I'm going to get $4,018.57. So quite a lot of money for butterfly conservatory flooring.